Hey everyone, Christine Paula here, and today we are exploring one of the most incredible airports in the world, Changi Airport in Singapore. If you're planning a trip or just curious about what makes this airport stand out, you're in the right place. Stick around for some awesome tips and things you can do here. First things first, when you arrive at Changi Airport, make sure to fill out the electronic visit pass. It's a quick and straightforward process that you'll need to complete upon arrival. Check out the link in my description below. Now, here's a money-saving tip. If you've made purchases totaling 100 Singapore dollars or more, you can get a tax refund. Just head to the GST refund electronic kiosks before departure. It's quick, easy, and a great way to get some cash back on your shopping. Another fantastic feature is the early baggage check-in. Take advantage of this to store your last-minute souvenirs or fragile items safely in your check-in luggage. Trust me, you don't want to lose your favorite kaya jams like I did. They were confiscated at the security check. Now let's talk about the heart of Changi Airport, Jewel. It's not your typical airport mall, it's a destination in itself. The Rain Vortex, a stunning indoor waterfall with a mesmerizing light show at night. Did you know it primarily uses recycled rainwater? It's a must-see. The Wonderfall at the Departure Hall of Terminal 2. A 4-story tall digital waterfall with a digital sky that adjusts based on the outside weather conditions. It's like having a piece of nature indoors.
Whoa!
Of course, there's no shortage of shopping options and incredible art installations. From upscale dining to hidden gems like Food Republic with affordable options, Jewel has it all. But wait, there's more! Changi Airport goes above and beyond with its attractions. Enjoy a free movie at the IMAX Theater, a perfect way to kill some time during a layover. Need to get around? The SkyTrain seamlessly connects Terminal 1, 2, and 3, making your airport navigation a breeze. Unfortunately, I didn't have enough time to explore everything, but there's a swimming pool you can use for free, a gym, a canopy park, the bouncing net, Changi Experience Studio, and so much more. I would definitely go next time, for sure. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of Changi Airport, the world's best airport for a reason. If you're passing through, make sure to make the most of your time here. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips and adventures. Until next time, safe travels!